I generated some mazes for a game jam and I want to describe the process. I searched maze generation algorithms and found this Aldous-Broder algorithm, which seemed very easy to implement. We pick a cell while there are unvisited cells. We pick a neighbor. If the neighbor's not visited, we visit it, remove the wall, and then set that to our current cell. We set the visited element to true. We increment visited. Then we generate all of the possible neighbors, and we make sure to pick a valid neighbor. Once we pick a valid neighbor by picking a neighbor and then checking to see if it's valid, which means that it's all within the range, and then we turn the neighbor. When the change in position is negative, you remove the current cell's corresponding horizontal or vertical wall, and when positive, you remove the next ones. Here the script is attached to the camera with the size set to 8, which represents an 8 by 8 grid, and the wall maze is being generated because that's click. With some basic display code, we instantiate the walls based off of the prefab attached to our script. By changing up the display code and attaching different prefabs, we can generate a variety of different mazes, including walls and pillars, where you're either traversing in between or along the paths.